Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing my final update on my first batch of Meatbirds for this year 2023. I'm just coming in to refill their feed. They're ready for their food. I've always left them with water and make sure that they have sufficient heat in here. I gotta clean all this mess up, but this time I won't put any fresh pine shavings because they're gonna be harvested tomorrow, which will be March 26th. They are now 6 weeks old. Look at the breasts on these chickens. They grow so quick, and that's the way they were bred. They were bred with varieties that grow faster and consume a lot of feed that turns into meat instead of fat. So here they are. They know I'm here to give them their food, and they're waiting for it. They're brisk, they're up and about. The turkeys are there with them. I don't know if you can differentiate, but that's a turkey. Those are a couple turkeys right there, and they are just ready for their food. So I'm going to go ahead and refill their feed right here, and that way they can have their food. I'm going to leave the food with them for 12 hours, and then I'm going to take it away. As you can see, I have 2 feeders here. They're all crowed in this one, but this one is right here with just a few birds eating from it. And this is how they get hurt. But they're going to be harvested tomorrow, like I said. And they're hungry because they didn't have their feed with them all night. I took it away so that way they don't eat themselves to death, because they can do that. They are getting it. Alright, today's harvest day, 6:10 a.m. and we're about to get ready to go start setting up so we can harvest those meat birds. I'm still sleepy. It's dark out, but the show must go on. So we're going to put our gears on, grab our butcher set, nothing fancy. And we're gonna head out and set up so we can start harvesting at first light. So I'll see you out there. Okay, you're gonna go first? Go. Go, girl. Go check out the scenery for me first. Thank you. It's getting light out a little bit, but it's still dark out here. So we're just gonna head out here and set up. We had a storm come through yesterday, a rainstorm, and it is wet out here. It feels kind of mild this morning because there's no wind, so it has to be at least in the 40s. But I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna light this fire pit right here so we have some heat out here going if we need to come and warm up. And we're gonna go set our table up. It's already there, and we are gonna get started. I'm gonna use some of this pine shaving because it's wet in the fire pit from the rain, just to start this fire. Now we got our fire going, so we're good to go. We have heat. That's the first order of the setup. When it's cold out, you make sure you have your heat first. Hubby's warming up his hands. It's cold. See why we need the fire out here going first? Okay, this one still wants to come out. Still setting up. I have some water here in this bucket that I brought from the house, from the faucet in the house, so that way it doesn't take too long to heat up. So we're all done setting up and we're about to go get started to harvest these meat birds. So we're gonna sign off right here for now. And this is what our birds looks like after we're done harvesting them. We are gonna put them on ice for 24 hours and then we are gonna cut them up in parts, various parts, and vacuum seal them. That way they're stored properly. I hope you can learn something from this video if you are into harvesting your own meat birds. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time right here on Fifi's Journey.